Hello everyone, again, I know. So, you may be wondering that why have I written this down? Once upon a time there was a beautiful princess, yeah? So, I decided that I would read that in Finnish. And so, yeah, I'm just going to read this in Finnish now. 1, 2, no, okay. Ready, steady, goes. Olipa kerran kaunis prinsessa. Hän vihasi elää linnassa, joten hän... Sorry, that was a fail. I'll just start again. So, ready, steady, go. Olipa kerran kaunis prinsessa. Hän inhosi elää linnassa, joten eräänä päivänä hän karkasi. Koko kuningaskunta etsi häntä. Ja mä en oikeastaan tiedä, miksi mä kirjoitan tätä, joten tää on minä puhumassa suomea. So there was it. I know it might sound really weird. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's pink. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. Okay, yeah. It's a done art book now. Let's name it. That's perfect. Okay. Goodbye.